Namaste and welcome back everyone to Kavita Diwakar's class once again. I hope you all are doing well and also practicing English at the same time. Now today's video is for all those students who were requesting me to start with personal class since really long, and I had even promised this 4 months back that I shall be starting with my own classes from the month of March 2022. I was traveling in the month of Feb. Now I have returned and I am going to manage some time, especially for all those students who genuinely wish to learn from me through personal coaching. Okay, so in today's video, I am going to tell you what will be the date of starting my class, what will be the duration, how to join, what will I offer in the class, who can join and who cannot join, and what will be the fees, how long will be the duration, everything through this video. If still you have any doubt after watching my video, then you can write me down in the comment and I shall answer you later on after you finish watching me completely. Okay, so let's begin. Question number 1 all of you might be having is, what is this teaching all about? What am I going to offer? So if you go back to my previous videos, well, you do not need to because I shall be mentioning the link down in the description. There I had covered some of the conversation videos where I had taught some students, and those students were from different applications, so I'm not going to go in that detail, but those videos are still available. I had covered students of basic English, intermediate English and also of advanced English, and I'm going to link all of them below in the description. You can check it out. You can consider that as your demo. Okay, you would know how I teach, how is my English, how students interact with me, and what will I cover. Now talking about these conversation videos which I shall be offering you, in that I will be discussing topics. Now these topics are not going to be that tough because I do not want you to answer me as if you are giving an interview, but I want you to talk to me as a friend. Okay, so please do consider me as your regular friend who talks to you every day and clears your doubts. It would be just a minute difference among your friends and me, that is, I would be correcting you and rectifying your mistakes and helping you speak better. Coming to the question number 2, that is, what are the conditions to join? Now, let me tell you that I do not have enough time to spare all day for English learning students because I work, I have to manage everything. I am teaching in some other field and I do not want to occupy my entire day for English. This is because some of the students were actually requesting me to start with this, and this is why I have intentionally not started it, but for them who genuinely wish to learn, for them I'm here. Okay, so do not expect me to keep answering you all day, and there are some conditions to which you will have to abide by, only then you will be able to enroll with me. What are those conditions? Condition is, you will have to answer me a question. Okay, the question is, why do you want to learn English? Very simple, and I know all of you would be able to answer it. The reason I am asking you this question is because I want to see what your level is. Why do you want to learn this language? And through your writing, I will understand that whether you are actually interested in learning this language. So you will have to answer me. Now, where will you answer? Wait, I am answering you everything one by one. Okay, so for this, I have created my Instagram ID for my official. You can follow me there. It is small letters KAVITA underscore DIWAKAR 00. Okay, that is in simple words, you will have to DM me on Instagram page. I do not prefer mail to be more convenient method because you will still have doubts and I'll have to respond to all of them. So I don't prefer mailing again and again. Okay, now coming to when is the class actually starting? Well, I am starting with my English personal one-on-one conversation class from 20th March 2022. That is from this month itself, from 20th March. Okay, not 28th March, 20th 2020 March. So before that, I want all those students who really wish to learn from me to enroll with me through my Instagram page. Coming to next question, what will be the medium of communication? How would we talk to each other through conversation? Well, the easiest way is, if you have a mobile phone, install, the name of the application is Skype. Install that through Play Store, and that's it. I will be sharing the link with you. I will be talking to you and the details of the classes would be shared on your Instagram, from where you connect with me for the first time, or in simple words, from where you text me for the first time and you answer my question for the first time. Let's come for timing. Now, what would be the timing of the classes I will be scheduling every day? Now, I stay busy all day, so I cannot manage time in morning or in afternoon, because I am the only person who is going to respond to your messages, fix the classes, and also take up your classes. So I will be doing this after 8 p.m. every night. Skipping on Sundays. I need off on Sunday. So every day after 8 p.m. I am available on social media platforms to reply your queries, to clear your doubts, to take up your classes, to fix your class, everything. Okay, so after 8 p.m. would be the timing you would find me available. Coming to what will be the classes timing. Now, as I said, if I am staying free after 8 p.m., that means your classes will also begin after 8 p.m. only. The duration of the class and the enrollment period will be for 15 sessions on alternate days. Let me explain you clearly. For example, if you are fixing your enrollment with me from today onwards, I will give you timing, that is on alternate days, either on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, or on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. That is, in a week you will have 3 classes. It will depend on what all batch or timing I will be giving you. You won't be able to prefer timing on your own, because after 8 p.m. I will select slot. As students keep coming, I will be fixing timing for them. If at all time slot is remaining, only then I'll give you. For 20 minutes duration would be your each class. That is, every class would be of 20 minutes per student on 3 days a week, that is on alternate days, either on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Is it clear? The entire session for which you would be paying me will include 15 sessions. That is almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5 are 15. Yeah, 5 weeks. That is almost over a month. Month and 30 days in a month. 31, 32, 33, 34. 34 to 35 days. Month and a week maybe, probably. So you will be paying me rupees 1999, that is 1999 rupees for 15 class. Am I clear? This price is not negotiable. Nobody would come and say me I cannot afford, and if you feel like, you can go ahead and do find other tutors. There are numerous tutors who offer you various courses. Okay, do not come to me for asking for negotiation, because I am actually sparing time for all those who really want to learn and who are ready to learn will pay me as per my expectation. That is 1999 rupees for 15 classes. Each class would remain of 20 minutes session that will be held on alternate days per week. That is, it will be included in a month and one more week ahead of that month. Okay, I want all those students who want to enroll with me, do it ASAP, that is as soon as possible, because once my timing from 8 p.m. to whatever timing I have fixed for myself, if that time limit is over, I won't be taking up further admissions until new slot is opened. So I want you to book as soon as possible if you feel like, but do not fail to answer me the question I have asked. If you simply come to me and say that I want to join with you and this is the fees amount, I am going to pay it. No, I am not going to take your admission at all, because I want you to answer my question first. I want to see if you really wish to learn this language. Are you serious about what you have to do in your life or not? If you are not, then please let that timing remain for other students who genuinely want to do. Okay, coming to last question, who cannot join with me? I am very openly and frankly being honest here that there are some students whom I do not want to entertain at all, because I feel I am not that confident or good or maybe qualified for taking up classes for them. Who are those students? Students those who want to learn only grammar. If you are here with me to learn grammar, trust me, I am not the right person. Please do find up courses which can be bought or purchased, or a written material where you can learn grammar. or through some other tutors, but not me, please. I want only those students to join with me who want to improve their speaking skills. I am here to help you with your pronunciation. If you make grammatical errors while talking, definitely I'm going to correct that. Why am I not focusing on grammar? There's a reason behind it. Remember when you were a child and you did not know any language to speak, your parents started teaching you some language that is your own mother tongue. Did you ask your parents to teach you grammar before speaking that language? Because I know whichever language we are surrounded with, we automatically learn it. We do not need to learn grammar. I feel that whichever subject or surrounding you surround with, the language will automatically come to you if you keep listening to them multiple times. And this is what even I have been doing when I was practicing English. Grammar was definitely there for me. I know the rules, I know how to write and how to correct grammatical errors, but I've never focused on grammar for my speaking skills. I have done it through lip sync and multiple times practicing. I have copied some people and I have tried speaking like them, and this is where I have improved my skills. I did not join coaching or speaking class, nothing. And I did not even find that so useful, because unless you decide that you have to do something for yourself, you cannot just rely or depend on others thinking that the person is going to come to you, teach you, and then you will be ultimately becoming genius in that subject. No, unless you take up the task, you do your own lip sync, your pronunciation has been improved, nothing is going to work. If I have to summarize entire video in short for you, it will be as simple as you will just have to find me on my Instagram page, follow me there, write down the answer for the question I have asked, why do you want to learn English? If you receive response from my side, you can enroll with me for rupees 1999, that is 1999, for 15 classes that will be scheduled on alternate days the moment you join from the next coming day, and it will be remaining for 20 minutes each session. And after that, if you feel like rejoining with me for next preceding month, then you can also inform me before you finish with the actual 15 days. A day before 15th day, that is on 14th class, you can inform me if you wish to rejoin with me for next month. Then I shall book slot for you, or else I will take up some other student who was in the waiting list for the previous month. Okay, if you still have any doubt, you can ask me down in the comments so that everyone gets to know about your doubt and if they might also have the same doubt as you. This is all in today's class. I hope your queries are all clear now. See you soon in our personal class. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy learning to all of you.